Hey everyone, I just got this brand new foldable drone and I'm really excited to test it out. I have never flown a drone before, and that's one reason I chose this brand, because it is for beginners, but it also has so many professional features as well that a professional drone flyer and drone expert will appreciate. So first thing I see when I open up the box is that it comes in this really nice carrying bag. How convenient is this? So you can take this drone easily wherever you want to go, carry it with you, and it's all packed up so nice in this bag. So this drone also has a bunch of features I wanted to tell you about. It has 90-minute flight time, which is really awesome because if you're planning on flying for a really long time or just want to play around for a long time, you easily can. It also comes with 3 different batteries so that you never have to worry about the battery dying, because it has 3 of them, so you can easily change the battery right away. The batteries are kept in here, so you just want to keep those charged and you'll be ready to go anytime you want to. I also like when the batteries actually do get low when you're flying the drone, it has a low battery return. So it's just going to automatically return right to you when your battery's low. So you don't have to worry about it crashing or falling out of the sky. So awesome. It has a few things inside. It has this QR code, just an operational guide video, which I'm definitely going to watch so I know exactly how to fly it. And then it has a user manual. So this is just going to give you even more details about how to use the drone. Love the pictures, lots of descriptions here. So you're going to be able to easily get this in the air and flying exactly where you want. That'll also show you how to use features like the tap to fly. So you can tap on the screen, different places you want it to go, and it's going to go right away. So here are a bunch of cords inside. These look like charger cords, and it comes with a little screwdriver. Also inside here, looks like some extra, these are extra propellers, which are these right here. So some extras in case those get damaged. It's really nice that it comes with that, just in case you need those. You never know where you're gonna fly this drone. However, again, another little thing I like, it has anti-shake and also wind resistance up to level 7, which is really good for a beginner's size drone. And also professionals would love that. Wind resistance up 7, you don't have to worry about it getting flopped around because this motor is so strong that you'll have no problem using it. So here is the remote control. So I'm gonna, again, turn this on, get it charged, and show you guys all about it. It has some keys up here, some buttons for flying. It has the different remote controls here, and it has some simple things like if you want to take a picture or record, all you need to do is hit that button to see. And it also has GPS return right here. So if you want it to return, boop, simple press of the button and it's gonna come right back to you. And it has batteries in the back, so you can just open this and put some batteries inside there to get this remote working. And here is the drone itself. Look at this, see how it's all folded so nice and neatly. These arms just simply pop out. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just pull these out, so now you can see how big it is. Look at that. So cool, so ready to go. It has the camera inside here, so what you're gonna do is just press this button and this is gonna open up the camera. So it has this nice protective cover for when you're not using it. You do wanna keep this camera nice and safe. And the camera also is adjustable via the remote. So while you're flying, you can tip it, see how it goes up and down? You can tip it mid-flight and it's going to get exactly the picture that you want. So, so cool. I am just so excited about this. There's a little light on the bottom, so if you wanted to light up whatever you're looking at. And back here is the battery. So if you wanted to change the battery, you just press right here, and then that's gonna just pull right out for you. So I'm not gonna lock it right now because this battery is good, but I am gonna get it charged, get it tested out. We'll test out that remote a little bit before we fly, and then I'm gonna go outside. Can't wait to bring this thing up in the air and see everything, test out that anti-shake, see what this 4K Sony camera can capture. Just wanted to show you that in the remote, you are going to need 3 AA batteries. So have those on hand so you'll be ready to go as soon as you get your drone. So the first thing you need to do when you start your drone is you need to calibrate the compass. So you're going to press this on button right at the back and hold that for 3 seconds and turn your remote on. So this is going to calibrate exactly where you are, and that'll help with the GPS. So it is doing that now. I also wanted to show you that this on the bottom of the remote pops out so you can hold your phone. This is a phone holder. So you can hold your phone right here and use the app while you're flying your drone to track everything. Okay, while I'm waiting for it to calibrate, lights are still flashing, which means it's still calibrating. I'm waiting for these lights on the drone to be solid, and then that means it's ready. I just wanted to show you a little bit about the remote. So here in the top, you can see the GPS. If the GPS is on, it's ready to go fly outside. If it's off, it's safe for indoor mode. It also has different directions, so you can see right now it's kind of pointing northwest, but it has 0 speed right now. But at the bottom here, you can see the height of the drone, how high it's flying. You can see the speed, you can see the battery, how many volts you have left, and check the battery life right on there. So everything is right here, easy to see. So the first thing you need to do is download the app, and it works with both iOS and Android phones, so you can easily download it. It has a QR code right on the packaging. So you download it, and then it will connect to your drone. Mine was off right now, so I was just kind of playing around with the app. But you will connect, and then once you have that drone connected to the Wi-Fi on the drone, you have to just connect in your settings on your phone to connect to the drone, and then you are ready to go. So you can see there's different settings you can do. You can change, check the flight log, so keep track of every time you fly. It also has some feedback, a system log as well, so it'll give you a little bit of information about your flight. And then you can see here, once you have that set, you can also play around with the different modes. So you can set it into beginner mode so it's not going to fly away from you. You can change how you'd like the camera. You can adjust all the camera settings as well as the video recording settings. Then you can also even change the controls. So you can also get the information about the drone, and you can even see all the controls right here through the app. It's really user-friendly, super easy to use. I also really like that it will store photos right away. You can also store photos and videos on the drone using an SD card. There is an SD card slot if you would like to use that as well. So there's 2 different ways to store and track videos. And look at this cool feature. You can even select music to record to your flight. So you can put your flight to music and really make it extra fun all through the app. So simple, great for like TikTok, for social media, super cool. So here is the first time I'm flying it. Again, I'm a beginner drone flyer, so it was my first time using it, but it was so super simple. So all you had to do is just press start on the remote, and once you had that start button on, the little spinners on top of the drone started going, all the little flight panels, and then it right away just took off. So once those started spinning, I just pressed up on my controller, and the drone went right up. So you'll see in a second. I also just wanted to point out in the top corner here, you can see that it has the distance, the height. It can track the GPS. It has a little map in the bottom there for your GPS, so you can really see exactly where you're going. I did have it in beginner mode because, again, I am a beginner. So here it goes. So it's ready to take off, and here it comes. All right, so here is the drone going up. So again, so easy. My battery was low at this point, so you can see there is a low battery alert. But the GPS just actually doesn't work in low battery, but the camera is working perfectly. Look at this. I'm going up over the rooftops of my neighborhood. Simple press of a button. It was so easy, so cool to see everything from above. And then I just took a look around, kind of adjusted it a little bit, and then brought it down to charge that battery. So here's another view of above. You can see it was a really, really cloudy, foggy day, but you can still see all my neighbors really easily. I kind of took a look around, used the different controls on the remote to spin and adjust the camera to go higher and lower, to kind of angle down, just kind of getting the feel of it. And again, it was really easy, and I am a total beginner, so this is my first time flying, and it was simple to use, but I love the clear picture. Even a professional drone user would probably find a lot more features on this drone than I would. And you can see I like that it says how high I was, so it was up high. In the top corner, it kind of tracks everything for you, and has this great picture. I'm just loving playing around with this. So I just wanted to take a video of the drone in action. So I was actually just recording on my phone while I was flying it. So don't mind the shaky camera. That's just me trying to record and to fly the drone. But look how cool it looks in the sky there. It's just kind of spinning around, floating, and moving around really easily. So also this drone is for 14 and up, it says right on the box, but you can see it's actually really fun for kids too. My kids had a really good time just watching it fly and helping out. So I would definitely say go ahead and grab this drone. It was really fun to use and easy to set up, has a great clear picture, and it's definitely a winner.